Hello, my crafty friends. Glad to see you. I told y'all in a couple of different live streams that I was going to start building this miniature coffee house. It's 1/24 scale. And I had talked about maybe turning it into a bookstore instead of a coffee shop. I don't know. We're going to look and see what's in here. I haven't even looked inside it to see, what. See if I want to do that or not. I do know I want to adapt it some. I don't want to do it exactly like it is. But, okay, surely that's enough. But Hobby Lobby had these on 50% off. That's why I bought it. I've always wanted to... No, that's not enough. I've always wanted to build a miniature house since I was a little girl. And so this is kind of a bucket list item. I don't have room. If I did build a huge one, I don't have room for that. So I decided I would just do a little coffee shop. So let's see what's in here. Here's tools. Let's start with that. This is just an unboxing today. I'm not going to actually do anything today. I'm just going to tell you what I think about it. And, well, okay. And if there's some things that I know I want to change already, we'll talk about that. Otherwise, oh, those are really sad. I am so glad I own some good scissors. This is a set of tweezers. Let's see how good these are. Oh, that comes off. That's nice. That's not terrible. I have better tweezers, so I probably will use those. There's a little knife, a screwdriver, and a ruler. So there's the tools. This did not come in there. It needs to be put up there. Okay. And then we've got wow, these are tiny. I watched people do this, and they made these pieces look, I guess they must have been really focused in, because they made these pieces look much bigger than this. This is bag B. It's the wooden frame stuff. This is the furniture. Look how tiny those little chair pieces are. And this is a little blue thing's a dresser. Yeah, this may not be as much fun as I thought it was going to be. This may be torture. I don't know. This is C01 through C27, whatever that means. Oh, here's some alcohol clear glue and white glue. And this is some, looks like some greenery and flowers parts that you make the flowers. And there's the light set. And then here's the beads and things that you use for the pots for these flowers. And that you use to make the, to put in, to make the light fixtures to go with the lights. And then here is the pieces. So I think this is the floor. This is the ceiling, because the light comes in through there. And then these are the wall pieces. Yeah, it looked a lot bigger in other people's videos. It didn't look that difficult, but it's going to be a little harder than I thought. And then this is the instructions. I may throw this video away and no, if you're watching it, I've decided to go ahead and do this, even if it scares me. Okay. Here's the instructions. Happiness is a cup of coffee. But see, there's those little brown pieces. And there's the walls, the floor. So it's Let's see how easy it is to, it shows you how to make all the little bakery pieces. There's bakery items. I guess all those beads are to make the bakery items too. I don't know. There's how to make the furniture and some more little bakery items for the coffee shop. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. And then these are the like the floor, the like wallpaper and stuff like that for it. And I do know I'm going to do I think I'm going to change the floor. I'm not 100% sure, but you've got some walls that are like this and some that are this blue, and I don't like that. I don't like those two together in the same space. So instead of these blue ones, I'm going to do something else. And I may take these pieces out and frame them and put them back. I'm not positive about that. But here are some of the plants, and you just cut them out and put them on some wires. I think there's some wire right here that I think is to make those different plants. And then here's some orange juice and coffee. I don't know what that is. Let's see. It's some kind of drink you can buy, powdered drink that you can mix or something. A donut box, milk box, pastry sign. See, that pastry sign in the video, it looked about this big. So they were doing really up close videos and I didn't realize that. Oh, here's some more instructions. It's all the parts. And it tells you which part the instruction book is talking about when it, asks you to do something. So all the stuff that's in the bag, in each bag is listed here. And I think, I'm not positive, let me check. I know some of them are, no, these are not. Some of these that you get, the pieces are the size on this form. This is the size of the pieces. Well, this is obviously not that. Well, these might be. These are smaller. These are smaller. Some of these may even be bigger. But anyway, here's some more. Here's, the upstairs floor. There's the brick, and there's a door there. And there's papers. I'm definitely changing these papers that go on the furniture. And then here's some more walls. And I'll cut these out. But these walls, I am not going to do that color because I like this better. And I want something that will go with this. So I'm thinking about doing something that resembles Venetian plaster type stuff on these walls in these colors so that it all goes together. Those are my thoughts at this point. Now that I've opened it up, I'm kind of scared. So we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I hope you'll watch the videos as they come out while I work on this, and we'll see if it frustrates me so much I don't finish it, or if I go ahead and manage to finish it all. But this is what it's supposed to look like. Let me see if I can turn on the autofocus for a second. That's what it's supposed to look like. But I'm not sure I really want it to look just like that. So I don't even remember seeing that sign. I'm sure it's there, but I don't remember seeing it. Anyway, I think it'll be fun. And I think trying to adapt it will be even more fun than just doing it. So we will see if my brain can do this or not. I hope y'all have a good day. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.